everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. Those are watching my video. I hope that you all are doing great. I am also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty. So friends, if you don't know me, I want to shortly introduce myself. My name is Syam Dislam Surjo. I read in class 9. I am 14 years old. Currently I am living in Dhaka, the capital city of Bangladesh. So friends, today I do not go any other place like ground or many types of park, but I think I have to make a video and then I come on this place. If you watch my previous video, you know this place because I think I make second video in this place. Yeah. So today I have come here in this place and this place is very nice. You can see the environment. So this is a type of small jungle. You can see there are lots of trees here. So basically today, you know, in Bangladesh in this time the rainy season is coming. For this season, in this afternoon the rain is the rain is coming. For this season I do not go outside. Yeah, but if the rain is do not come, I can go outside. I could go outside and then I make video. Yeah. So you can see the place if I try to show you. So there is a pet animal cat, you can see. So this is a building. In this building's owner, this pet animal is here, you can see, and here you can see. Yeah. So this is a pet animal. We like this animal because I like also cat, but I like also cat, but in my home my parents are not allowed cat because they don't want to allow cat. Yeah, for this reason I also like cat, but my parents also don't like cat. Yeah. So if I try to express this thing. Yeah. So in this time the in this time after few times ago, in this time the raining is coming and you can see the small pond. Basically this is not a jungle, this is a small pond, and you can see this is the jungle. You can see there are lots of trees. If I try to show you the trees, so in my behind this is a banana trees. So in my you can see this is a papaya trees, you can see, and in past this is a field also, and I used to play here. I came here and used to play in my childhood, but at this time this is not a playground because at this time this is an unused place. People not come here for playing, but some of children they have come here for playing afternoon, but in this afternoon anyone can come here. For this the reason is the raining is coming for this season. Yeah. So you can see the cat is sitting here, and there are lots of smaller unused houses are there, you can see. So I told you this thing on my second video, and if I try to show you, there is a bonsai trees, you can see there is a big bonsai trees, and in my behind you can see this is a big mango trees. You can see this is a big mango trees, and in my behind also this is a construction building, you can see this is a construction building. So yeah, I want to shortly share about this thing, what am I doing in this time. But the main reason is I want to practice like in this way. You can also practice like in this way. And the one thing I want to tell you, I do not come here in this place alone. I am with my friends Arif. So you can see Arif. So you can see Arif is sitting here. So he actually trying to catch fish. Catch fish. For this season he jump on this pond and then he actually try to catch fish. So yeah, I want to shortly finish this video in this time. Basically I want to share about one thing. The thing is, if I mistake, you didn't care about those mistakes because I am a learner, I am a beginner. I can mistake, you didn't care about those mistakes. Yeah. So you can also practice like in this way, and I know I mistake many types of grammar. I make many types of grammatical mistake when I make video, and then when I go to upload video, and then I watch when I watch my full video after making video, and then I saw, then I see I do many types of mistakes like grammatical mistakes, and yeah, you didn't care about those mistakes because I'm a learner, I'm a beginner. Basically, I am practicing learning. I have been learning English before 3 months. Yeah. So there is a woman who look me about, who look me. What am I doing? So yeah, I want to finish this video in this place in this time. So if you are my regular video, you can practice like in this way. Yeah. So I think he is catching fish, one fish. So please show me, show. Yeah. You can see this is a small fish. You can see this is a small fish. I don't know what is the name of this place, but in our village rural areas, this fish name is taki fish. Yeah, taki or shati fish in our. Basically, we are from Rangpur. Our home district is Rangpur, Soyotpur. Yeah. So I want to finish this video at this time because my time is already over. So tata, take care, have fun, Khuda Hafiz.